Okay, so solving quadratic equations by factorization. Now, this question is slightly challenging because we have a coefficient in front of the x. So I'm going to show you a couple of methods that you can use to solve this. Now, the first one I'm going to use is the inspection method. So this needs to go into two brackets. And since we know that 3 only has two factors, 3 and 1, so we have to have 3x and x in front of the brackets. Okay, so the next number that we need to focus on is plus 10. Now 10 can have 1 and 10 as factors, and also 2 and 5. Now, I always go for the numbers which are closer to each other and try these numbers first. So if I put 5 over here and 2 over here and give this a quick check, the signs are going to be positive because all the signs are positive in the question. Now, if I was to do 3x times by 2, so that makes 6x, and then 5 times by x makes 5x, so that's 11x. So that hasn't made 17x in any way. So I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to put in 2 over here and 5 over here, and then just like check again basically. 3x times by 5 is 15x, and then 2x add to that, and that makes 17x. So we know that this is right now, this is correct, and then 5 times 2 makes 10. So this is our factorization of this quadratic equation. Now, so since you have your two brackets, we got x plus 5 equals a 0. Now taking away 5 from both sides, so one solution A is negative 5, and the other one is going to be 3x plus 2 equals a 0. Now take away 2 from both sides, and we have negative 2, and then x is dividing by 3 both sides, minus 2/3. So these are your two solutions for this question. Now, however, if you were to do the other method, okay, so which you don't have to try different numbers. So that method is, so we can multiply. So very quickly, just gonna get rid of this. So we start with multiplying these numbers together. So 10 times by 3, they're both positive, so that is 30. Now we're looking for two factors of 30. When you multiply them, they will give you 30. So they could be 2 and 5, 5 and 6, and so on. We have 1 and 30, but they have to add together to make 17. So that means it's 2 and 15. So what we do here is we quickly substitute in place of 17x, we substitute 2 and 15 into there. So we have 3x squared. It doesn't matter which way around you substitute that in. So 15x plus 2x and plus 10. Okay, so you can do that in any order as long as you got 15 and 2x in the middle. Now, so we split this up into 2 halves, and now we factorize this. So 3x goes on the outside, and we have x plus 5 inside the bracket, and then on the other side we take out plus 2 as a common factor, and then again it would be x plus 5 in the bracket because we're looking for 2x plus 10. Now one of the bracket is x plus 5, so that is a good sign because we got two same brackets. The other bracket is going to be 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2. So this is giving us the same answer for factorization. Either you do inspection method or this method, as long as you get the answers correct.